Hey guys, HavasuLew out in beautiful Lake Havasu. Hey, we're out here checking out this brand new pool home listing for a client. Hang out, check it out too, and I'll talk to you in a minute. All right guys, we're out here at 3056 South Jamaica Boulevard. This was just listed for $530. It actually does have one offer on it, but they're letting the showings play out for today. There is a side RV boat type parking. So this is on Jamaica, which could be considered a busy street to us, but again, it's all relative. Let's go on in and check it out. So they are using this as a Airbnb, and it's between bookings right now, so everybody's trying to get in and see it. It does have a tile roof, rolled eaves. They've done some updates. Let's go check them out. All right guys, this is a 3-bedroom, 3-bath pool home built in 1993, 1,388 square feet. Again, just listed for $530. Does have an offer on it already. Nice little open floor plan, front kitchen with an eat-at, bar, vaulted ceilings. So they did do some upgrades to this house, including this concrete countertop, which is pretty cool. Has some little sparklies in it. Slider out to the backyard. So this is a split floor plan, so you have a master on one side and the other bedrooms on the other, but it does have a dual master suite, like a junior master suite we'll go check out. So here's your kitchen access, has a little bit of a informal dining area. You have your access to your indoor laundry in the garage. Tile backsplash. RO at your sink. So you have your main master suite. Tile floors. Doesn't have access to the pool, but that's a pretty easy fix to throw in a slider. And then you have your master bath, same concrete counter in here as well. Your shower tub combo. Dual flush toilet. And your little walk-in closet. So on the other side of the house, you have your other 2 bedrooms. This is the junior master suite at the front of the house. So here's your junior master suite bathroom, same concrete counter, sink, shower tub combo in here as well. And also has a little walk-in closet. So across the hall you have a guest bath. Dual flush toilet in here as well, same shower tub combo. So you have the second guest bedroom, or the third guest bedroom, loaded up with bunk beds. It's all about sleeping people with the Airbnbs. Also has a little closet as well. So back off the kitchen, you have your indoor laundry. You have a pretty cool garage setup on this one. Has a 1-car side that's 19 feet deep with a 7-foot door. You have a 33-foot deep bay with a 10.5-foot door. And so you have a cool little backyard setup. Nice and private. You have some mountain views. Covered patio. Nice little pool. So this actually looks like a fiberglass pool, but it's a nice one. Has LED lights. Has like a Pebble Tech type look finish to it. Little side access. Kind of slopes down to some dead space over here. Has a little spa. Alright guys, HavasuLew back again with you. Hope you enjoyed the quick little video walk through the house over here on Jamaica. Again, this one was just listed for $530. Does have one offer on it. I'll put a direct link to the listing detail page right below this video so you guys get all the original listing pictures, current price, and availability, of course. If you guys have any questions, always feel free to reach out to me. All my contact information is right below this video. You guys have a great day, and I'll talk to you soon.